Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to find real estate owned bank owned property with Propwire. So let's dive into it. Talking about how to find real estate owned bank properties, you have to visit the Propwire website and sign in into your account using your email or password. Then from there you have to go to the search page. So from the dashboard, click search properties, then find the lead type or property status, filter it and choose your real bank owned or real estate owned. Just pick between the two, then type in the city, your zip code where you want the real estate owned listing. Then after that you have to add a filter. So use the filter like price range, property type, status date or bank name to narrow your results. Then after that you have to review the property details. So click a listing to see the details like the bank or asset manager, listing agent, note and recorded status. Then after that you can save or export the lead. So save promising properties to a lead list or export their contact details for outreach, and that's it. And then here's a quick reminder: always verify the real estate owned status, check for liens and confirm contract details before making offer or sharing sensitive information. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.